This is Khajuraho, and man, it's hot. It's like really humid. But right now I just left my hotel and I'm going to the market to buy a few things, like detergent and stuff, so I could wash my clothes. And yeah, and also I need to hit the ATM to get some cash. I didn't really get any cash. But while I was coming here, looking at a place like this, I didn't think that there would be an ATM anywhere near, because you wouldn't really expect to find an ATM here. But I guess once we go into the market, the main center of Khajuraho, with some shops and stuff, the hotel guy told me that there will be an ATM, so we're gonna go and check that out, see what that's like. But yeah, these are like the local houses of the people that live here. Namaste. There's some Khajuraho kids. Hello. Cows everywhere, of course. It's to be expected. So it actually rained last night, is what my hotel guy told me. So this place is like all mucky and full of water. Check this out. It's like it's almost like a little village. I don't know what this building is. Looks, maybe this is a school. Looks like it's a school. But it's nobody's in there today. I guess school's off. It's the weekend, or I don't even know what day it is. Actually, it's Monday, so I don't know why there's no one in the school. But they're actually building this little road to make this part a little more accessible, as opposed to having just like a dirt road, which doesn't help. And it actually discourages people like me from staying within the village. So here's a school from the other side, but I guess it's closed for some reason. And but yeah, this place is really beautiful. It's a beautiful village. I mean, it's an overcast day. It's like a boring, dull day, but it's still a great place to spend a few days, explore. And we haven't even gone into the temples yet, or the waterfall. So I don't know if I want to go into the temples today, or if I just want to hang around in the town and in the main market area, just to get a feel of what it's like. We have the construction going on for the road that they're building. You see the equality in India? Like, women and men working together, hard work. And there's no sexism here. Very progressive. Women lift heavy loads, and men do the same. Hello. All right, so let's. I'm trying to remember the way, so I don't have to look at Google Maps. Holy shit, I'm sweating. So I don't have to look at Google Maps and rely on Google Maps to get back. But we'll see. We'll see. Even if I do get lost, which is likely, seeing as this is my first day, I have a way back thanks to technology. So, hello. And here's the little shop, grocery shop. But I don't think they have what I want. There's a couple more. This is really like a little village, at least this part. So I'm kind of excited to see what the town looked like. You know, I'm sure it's going to be different. I haven't seen many tourists, actually. That could be because it's the monsoon season, and because of the rain, not many people come around during this time of the month. But the guy at the hotel told me that apart from the monsoon season, you have people coming in all year round. So I guess their only season time is when it's not raining. So anytime it's not raining, it's season time. And I decided to come here during the monsoon, so almost got splashed. You gotta look at this road that I'm walking on. It's pretty horrendous. All right, so I'm gonna be careful and look where I'm walking instead of focusing on the camera, so I don't slip and fall, because I've slipped a couple times. You couldn't tell, could you? That's how slick and in control I am. You would never know. But I've been slipping while walking through the mud. So I'll see you guys when I get out in the market. Check this out. There's no way I'm gonna stay out late and have to walk through this at night. Sign me the hell out. This is insane. This motorcycle's gonna splash me. Wow. Not the best time of the year to be walking around. That's for sure. Unless you're... Hello. Unless you're looking forward to getting your feet dipped in mud and water. Uh-oh. I think I got splashed a little. Look at this house. I think it's abandoned. I think maybe they started building it and then gave up for whatever reason. A little better. But look at these houses though. And you have something like this which looks really old, and then you have this new looking building, and these houses built out of mud. So as I move towards the center, starting to see a lot more traditional kind of buildings like this one, as opposed to a mud house or a house made of mud, like you would see in a village in India. like we've been seeing. But now, as I get close to the main road, we get a lot more of these brick houses. It's amazing how quick it all changes. But it still has the vibe of an old village. No, thank you.